Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to add timer on Snapchat. So for this, let's open our Snapchat app. Once the app is open, now here in the left side, you will find this plus button. Click on it and scroll down. So there we have this timer option. Click on this plus button and now the timer is added. Click on the timer and here if you want to record a video, then here you can choose the recording. You can set a time how long you want to record a video. Let's say we want to record a video for 30 seconds. Click on set timer. Now the timer is set. Click on this shutter button and now the timer is started, and for 30 seconds it will start recording the video, and after 30 seconds it will automatically stop. In this way you can add timer to Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.